Hi folks, how are you all doing today? Today we will be learning about how to create a translator app. So this is going to be something very much interesting and you all will enjoy this because translator is something which is interesting, right? Which sounds interesting how to create that app and all and Thunkable we'll be seeing today. Okay, so let's quickly get onto the app and check out how to create this one, right? So I would just like to rename my screen. And while renaming my screen, I would like to also remind you all guys that please do subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub, if you're new here. And if you can share this to any of the students who want to learn coding and also who doesn't want to learn coding, right? Because they will have to learn it. This is going to be a must-have skill from here on, right? So in the coming years, this is just it, right? So that's why I want everyone to learn coding, and I want you all guys to share this channel to all those possible kids, right? Whoever you know, okay? So please do share all these videos, and yeah, let's get quickly started with this translator app today, right? So before starting off with anything, now what is a translator? We have to understand this, right? A translator is something where you're translating a particular sentence or a statement into a different language which you would like to translate it to, right? Let's suppose my native language is Telugu. Okay, so I want to convert the English statement, whatever I'm speaking, right, into Telugu. Let's suppose, right? So this can be achieved by a translator app, right? So let's now quickly understand on the design part and how to create this and all, right? Today you will be learning about new components also because for translator, definitely we should use new components, right? So let's see and understand that. Okay. So I'm just giving a background color for my app. I think I think this is gonna work out. So yeah, and then we can give the vertical alignment as space around maybe. Hmm. Yeah, this is all on my screen. Okay, so then we have to add components also. So what our components are? So I'll first drag a label where I'll just give a title here. Okay, so I will just say title label. What title is this again? So translator label, translator title label. Okay, so then we can say translator, translator, and maybe this can be 40. Yeah, this looks good. And color on brown color, which will suit. Okay, I think this is good. Maybe we can just change the font weight to bold. Looks better. Um, yeah, definitely we can give some, and I will also give padding. So we gave borders basically, border width as 2 and radius as 5. If you have not been watching my previous videos yet, please do go back to my channel and watch Applab. I'm in app development in code.org thing, right? So that playlist, and then you also watch programming concepts playlist, and then come to Thunkable so that it will be easy for you all to understand what exactly we are trying to do here, right? So and in Thunkable also, if you're starting off with any video, so don't start in the middle, right? So just start with the first video in the playlist, okay? And try to watch all of them in sequence so that you will understand this better and you'll not have any confusion. So, okay, this is good. And then I also want to give the text style. So I'm just giving in advanced and text style, we have font family, okay? So you can just say times or what am I typing? So there were a few other things also, right? Like fantasy. Oh my god. This is too much. I don't like this. And serif. Okay. Sans serif. This is simple, right? Roboto. This is quite simple again. I wanted something else, but I'm not finding it out. Monospace. Okay, let this be. I'll not waste much of time here in the translator thing label. Yes, just below the label, we want another text input box. Let's say, right? So I'm just dragging the text input over here, and let's adjust this text input below the translator label. So the simple properties. So this will be. So this text input will be sentence or word text input because user has to enter some word here, right? Type here. Let's just say type here. Let's give some borders first because I just want to give okay, 3 pixel, no problem. Color yellow color, solid border, yeah. And then so this is going to be fine. Next thing is going to be button. We also want a button, so I'm just dragging it and placing it over here only. So on this button, we can just say, so what can this be? Translate, right? Translate. And text color can be white. Background color should not be white. I think I'll choose orange. Then text color, I'll say black. Yeah, better. Then let's give font bold, font italic, raised. Cool. Border 2, not 75.5. Color, yellow color. Style, solid. Cool. Matches, right? So let's give 3. Yeah, nice. And we also want to display the thing, okay, in whatever language you're translating it to. So if we display the same text in that language, that looks good, right? So for that, we need an output label basically. So I'm just dragging the output label over here. So when you see that red bar below, you can actually drop it over there, right? So I'm just changing and renaming it to translated text label. This label will be okay. After styling this, I will just do that. I think 18 is good. Text color can be black. Uh, do I really want it black or orange? I want it orange. Yeah, I think this is good. Font weight will be bold. And then border. Yeah, we can give a border also. Why not? So let's give yellow color border only and solid. So, and I will give some padding here. Left padding 5 pixel, right padding 5 pixel, top padding. Padding means you already know. If you guys don't know about padding, please do go back to my channel, open Thunkable playlist and watch margins and paddings video is there. Just please watch that to understand this thing. Okay. And text alignment will be center. I think this is all. This is cool and good. So well and good. On the text style, we can say cursive. Okay, better. So I think these are the design components which are visible on the screen, and there are non-visible components also, right? So the first component we would be needing is text to speech. So I will be using the same text to speech so that whatever is translated, right, if it speaks out in that language, that will be more good, right? So that's the reason I just want this to be having text to speech, and also we'll search for translator component here. So you have a translator which is invisible component, so I'm just placing it over here, and this is going over here. Okay, so there are simple properties. So source language will be English, and target language you can actually choose from here, right? So any language, you can choose any language. So I think I will be choosing. Let's see Telugu if it can do it or no. I'm not sure if it can do it or not, right? But yeah, let's see and analyze, right? So okay, source language is English, target language is Telugu. Let's check out if this works out or not. Before checking out, you will have to also code this app. Not only designing is enough, right? So let's go to blocks and just try coding it. So whenever you click on the button for, so I have not renamed by my button. So just coming back to this will be translate button. Let's go to blocks now quickly. So when translate button is clicked, so let's go to translator, call translators translate. Okay, so the text to translate should be given here. So text will come from the word text input. So word text inputs text, it has to translate. Okay, so attaching it over here. So when translation is done, it has to show the output on the translated text label, right? So click on this and get set translated text label to whatever is the result, you just show the result over here. Okay. So these two are the outputs. Status and result are the outputs which are got from the translate, right? So inside the result, we have our target, right? Like whatever the target language you get, that result will be over here, and it will also try to speak out something. So whatever is the thing, so I'll just call text to speech speak function over here. I'll just make it say result only. Okay, let's see how this works now, right? Let's live test this and check out. So I'll just cross this and I'll again live test this. Okay, just to be on the safer side that it is loading properly and completely. So if I just say hello or how are you? How are you? Translate.
How are you?
Oh, it just it just says, "How are you?" Something like that. I don't know which language is this. Maybe in the text to speech, like we had French, right? So that is the reason probably. So I'll just change this to English US. Okay, and let's go back to blocks. Let's go back to translator, live test. How are you? How are you? Translate.
How are you?
Okay, it's not translating into Telugu. Into my native language, it's not doing. But this is not the case for all the languages, right? The other day, while discussing about text to speech, also we discussed this, right? Target language, not everything is working, right? But yeah, I think Spanish should work. Let's check out with Spanish. Okay. So let's go back to Translator here. Then we'll live test. So let's say, how are you again? How are you? Translate.
¿Cómo estás?
Oh, ¿cómo estás? Yes, this is absolutely perfect, right? It is translating it now, and it is also displaying the text over here. Wow, this is cool. Now let's say, where uh, where are you going? Where are you going? Translate.
¿Adonde vas?
Adonde vas? Okay, and let's check out. Please subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub.
Por favor suscribirse a mi canal de Folx Hub.
Wow.
Por favor suscribirse a mi canal de Folx Hub.
So please see, app is also saying you all guys to subscribe. Please do subscribe to my channel. Okay. And what else we can translate, right? So we have checked out. I'll just copy this thing. Let's see two more languages. Okay, I don't know why I'm really quite excited on this. So target language, let's see German. Okay, German. So actually, why I chose German is I started learning German actually. I mean I have not completely learned this, but I started learning German. I don't know why I just left it. Maybe lack of time or something, some deviations. But yeah.
Vid abonneren sie meinen Kanal Folx Hub.
Oh my god. In German, this is something like this.
Vid abonneren sie meinen Kanal Folx Hub.
Okay.
Vid abonneren sie meinen Kanal Folx Hub.
Salmon Cal Folks Hub. I'm really unable to pronounce this, but yes, it just says the same thing. Okay, so we saw German, and lastly, I would just like to check on Italian. Okay, so let's just check Italian. After Italian, maybe I will be just checking out on one last thing also. So please don't mind on this. I just want to check this out. Okay, so let's just say translate.
Si brigati describersi al mio canale Folx Hub.
Ah, okay. Canal and all. I think even in Spanish we had this canal something like that, right? Channel. Channel. Okay, okay, okay. Meow. Okay, okay, okay.
Si brigati describersi al mio canale Folx Hub.
Iscriversi all meow canals Fox Hub. Okay, nice. Italian is good. Then, yeah, I also want to check out the Japanese thing. So this is the last thing. I just want to check out Japanese, and after this, we can end the session. Okay. So yeah, let's quickly go back to our translator here, and let's live test this one. So this is gonna be Japanese now. So let's see. Japanese.
Folx.
What? Text to speech could not read out this thing, I think. So what can be done on this case is text to speech. We'll just change this to Japanese. Japanese, where's Japanese? Come on. That's it, guys. Let's check this out again for the one last time. Come on. Come on.
に登録してご覧ください。私のチャンネル5拠点。
What? I mean, I am dumb. I don't know what
に
it
登
says.
録してご覧ください。私のチャンネル5拠点。
Folks have did not even come. Okay.
に登録してご覧ください。私のチャンネル5拠点。
It says Fokyokin, something like that. What does folks have? Oh my god. Okay. However, so it just translated this into it like this. Okay, I'm glad that we could actually create a translator, right? Which also can speak out the thing. I'm very happy on this. So yeah, this was all about our today's session, which is translator, right? So I would just like you all guys to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any concerns, please do let me know in my comment section below, right? Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub, and we'll meet in the next session with a new app again. Okay, so until then, you know what you have to do? Yes, so you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to keep watching all the videos, you have to open playlists, and yeah, so do watch all the videos in sequence. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. So I will be meeting you all in the next session. Bye bye and have a